Tissamaharama lies 250 kilometres from Colombo in the extreme southern part of Sri Lanka. Around the massive Tissa Wewa or irrigation tank lies 4 major dagobas or ancient stupas, all shaping the look of the landscape. The Sandagiri stupa is believed to have been built by King Mahanaga in the 3rd century BCE. The dagoba was part of an ancient monastic complex. It is believed that a rare conch shell was originally placed here, but later transferred and enshrined in the Tissamaharama dagoba. The Department of Archaeology commenced conservation work back in 1987. Later, the Central Cultural Fund too got involved in the restoration in 2004. Bricks used in the construction dating back to the 2nd century were found in the site. An astounding 360,869 special bricks were used in the restoration work to recreate most of the shape of the dagoba. A section of the stupa on the north side has been left open to show the technique of bricklaying. The stupa is built on an elevated area, the Valley Malua or sand terrace. All stone artefacts have been carefully preserved and displayed around the upper area. The berm on which the stupa has been built indicates there would have been some circumambulation. Flower altars and Buddha statues have been placed at the 4 predominant points around the dagoba. The north side flower altar provides an example of exemplary stone workmanship. A stone receptacle used for washing feet and several stone blocks with carved footprints of the Buddha which were used for worship are placed around the periphery. A granite column and the original pinnacle of the stupa have also been placed in the compound, along with a replica of the original dagoba. The current height of the stupa is 18.3 metres, while the circumference is 103 metres. Successive renovations changed the shape of the dagoba. Originally, it is believed that the stupa would have been a much larger structure, even double its current dimensions. The ruins of the ancient Bodhigaraya can be seen west of the complex. A centre cavity clearly indicates the location where the bo tree would have been originally. There are 2 bo trees adjoining the restored stupa and in the lower compound. The Sandagiri stupa lies as a great example of preservation of our ancient culture and history. This ancient monastic complex, carefully restored, is a treasured monument, now resplendent in the city of Tissamaharama.